the Cherrycreek Pollinator habitat at the Nebraska Extension, Lancaster County Extension office. Our pollinator habitat is behind our office and open to the public. We started it in 2013 and we created a pollinator habitat to teach the residents of Lancaster County and Nebraska about pollinators. Our habitat has over 40 native plants that we have labeled for people to see the different native plants and how they might look in their landscape. We encourage people to plant native plants because they're important to our native pollinators. We also have a bee hotel and an insect hotel to promote native solitary bees and to provide shelter and nesting places for our native bees. We have a wide assortment of native plants. We have several milkweeds that are for pollinators and for monarch butterflies. We have plants that bloom from April through September because that's what we need for our native pollinators. They need plants blooming all through the season. It's important for a pollinator habitat that you have nesting sites, food for immature pollinators. You know, like our butterflies, we need food sources for our caterpillars, so we have some herbs that we've added. So it's real important to have an assortment of plants that are blooming the whole season and plant them in groups so you have mass plantings for the insects to forage on. We hope you consider making part of your landscape a pollinator habitat. It's important to have native plants, but you can also have other garden plants that attract pollinators, have a water source, and reduce or eliminate the use of pesticides in those areas to promote these beneficial insects.